Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages. Here we are at the Canaveral National Seashore. We're going to go spend a little time at the beach today. We have stopped here on the road in, and this is Technology and Nature vantage point. There's a little picture of the launch pads, 39A, 39B, VAB. And in the distance, hard to see, but they are out there. This is where all the shots from Canaveral come from. It's beautiful out here, nothing around but wildlife for as far as you can see. There's them all in the Malibu. And nothing. Alrighty. We're going to mosey on down the road and find us a beach to go to. We'll check back with you in a little bit. Another shot of the launch pads and launch towers over there. More water. There's a big Kennedy Center building there. More water. You'll kind of get that more water theme here because there's water everywhere. We're going to the beach. The beach is actually, the name of the beach is Playalinda Beach. And yeah, out here with Mother Nature in all her glory. I'll check back with you. Here we are at park area number 1. There's several parking areas here with ramps to the beach and restrooms. I think there's 10 or 11 beaches up through here. All of them have a large parking area like this, and a ramp and a restroom. We're going to find us one to go to, and we'll check back with you. Park area number 2. Pretty much the same. Restroom.
Is that a buzzard?
Yep. Parking area. Buzzard on top of the restroom. Ramp over the dunes to the beach. Park area number 3. More of the same. Park area 12 is the last parking area before park area 13, which is the nude beach area. Playalinda is a federal park, and yeah, they have a nude beach area for all you skin lovers, I guess. Come down and get your whole body sunburned. Yeah, we're gonna figure out what beach we want to go to, not 13, and yeah, go get some sun. Check back with you. Yep, So they're nice enough to put up a little warning sign for you. So there you go. You can't say you haven't been warned. We'll check back with you. Alrighty. We have arrived at our parking destination. This is Beach Parking Area 6. And as you can tell, nobody here. It is late August. It is a Tuesday. And like I said, there are 12 beaches. Most of them have a parking area about this size. It costs like $25 a car to get in for the day. We bought an annual because we live near here. It's about 4 or 5 miles of beach with these parking areas, and maybe you can hear the surf over the dunes. But yeah, we're gonna walk up here and go out on the beach and see if we can't catch some rays. Nice new ramps. The last hurricane, or maybe the one before, ravaged a bunch of them. So they put a bunch of new ones in. It's a little bit of uphill. I don't expect the beach to be crowded because none of the parking areas had more than 4 or 5 cars in them. And there she is, the one and only Atlantic Ocean. Oh, she's beautiful today. Wow. Never ceased to amaze me. Most beautiful spot in the world. Looky there. Like I tell Ma, this is why we moved to Central Florida. I guess we can pick our spot as long as we don't sit on a seagull. Pretty much have the run of the place. The water's so beautiful and clear today. This would be an awesome place to watch a space launch from. Seeing how down in the distance you can see the launch towers, but they close this off because you're just a little too close. So you're not allowed to on the beach while they're launching. But as you can see by the desolation and the lack of humanity, this is why we like coming here. We'll get down here and look at these sticks in the beach. I believe they're turtle nests. They've all got writing on them. It's a big conservation move to keep the sea turtles safe. Not sure what all that means, but I'm pretty sure, about 99% sure, that's sea turtle nest. Nice new steps. There's Ma. Hey, Ma. Woo! Hey, Ma. She's waiting to come down and dip her little tootsies. I had had a surfboard, I might have brought it, but I don't, so I didn't. Kick the old flip-flops off so I don't get them too wet. Mosey down here. Wow. It was almost surfable today. Geez, pretty slick out there. Yeah, that water's a beautiful temperature. Here comes one crashing in. There's a couple boats way off in the distance. Maybe a thunder shower coming to some parts of Florida. But for us, for right now, that's as good as it gets. Yeah, check out Playalinda Beach if you're ever in Florida on the East Coast near Canaveral, near Titusville. Even in the heavy traffic days, there's usually not a lot of people here. Just a lot of beautiful. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Don't be shy. And we'll see you on the next one.